Hello and welcome. Today I will tell you how to prepare the BOQ. So I choose this CCTV systems. If you want the other systems like electrical, mechanical, low currents, so just inform me in the comment box. I will prepare this video for this BOQ or something else, that whatever you want, just mention in the comments. Okay, let's start for this BOQ for the CCTV system. CCTV system is include in the electrical division. It's a division. There's a lots of division, electrical, mechanical system. We have a lots of division here. So the 13 number division in electrical, it's a CCTV system. CCTV system is coming in the low current within the electrical division. So I'm discussing for the BOQs, how to prepare it and how to add the symbols and how to take the dimension and the legends from the drawings. Description of items and the quantity in the drawing is mentioned in the drawing. So if I remove these quantities, and I will show you how to make it this quantity. So I will put it in the quantities. The rate as per the market rate. Okay, now let us start for this first thing. CCTV system PC with built-in DVR monitor and keyboard. So the CCTV PC system. So I will show you how to make it for this CCTV. This is our drawings. This is a ground floor plan, security system layout. This is first basement floor, security system layout. Second basement floor, security system layout. In this system, we have here for this single line diagram. You can say it's a schematic diagram, or CCTV single line diagram, schematic diagram. So this is our DVR with the monitors, with printers and the control equipment. Monitors, we have a description for this 21-inch. This is a monitor for this, and the location for this DVR, control room, workstation, CCTV room. Ground floor, we have here the control room, workstation, CCTV room. So here we have a two DVR. It's a one DVR and then one is a control station. So number one. So it's a one piece and 2000 real. The total amount is 2000 real. Okay. The next thing is CCTV master control station. So the another thing is a 21-inch LCD monitors. So this is a 21 inch. Go for this BOQ 21-inch LCD monitors. So it's a 3-inch, three pieces, and per pieces you can say it's a 500, like this. And verbally we can, after that you can check the market and check the price. 700 for one piece, so three pieces 2100. The next thing is a wall mounted fixed IP. This is a wall mounted fixed IP camera with high quality of pearl. This is the one. If I check this legend description for the symbols, this is wall mounted fixed IP camera with high quality of pearl, and this is the same thing but with the box. Box means it's a weatherproof. It's a weatherproof outdoor camera, and this is a indoor camera. It's not a weatherproof. This is an indoor camera, fixed camera, indoor. Both are fixed, but this is a weatherproof and this is a normal. So we are talking about the normal camera. So how many normal camera? Filter command. If I type the filter command FI and then enter, clear the previous list. This is our filter command. Select object. I want the normal camera, not the weatherproof. I want the normal camera. Any block you can select it, any block. So I want this one, any one block. And then I don't want this all description. I will delete all details except the block name. I don't need the colors also. I need to extract the all blocks as per block name. I select these items, I clear the list except the block name, and then I apply. So on the apply, in which area you want to apply, from where to where, I apply the complete project. This is my complete project, so I apply it on the complete object. 43 items found. If I make it okay, so these items, these only normal fixed camera is selected. Only fixed camera is selected. If you want to extract these all items from the drawings, so just select these items. It's selected from the filter command, and then I will type here the move command. Just check it there, the move command. I will type here the move command, and then the item is selected. This is my base point selected, and then I extract the outside. So these all are our camera. It's a normal fixed type camera, 3 pieces. So in this drawing I can write here 43 pieces. Wall mounted fixed IP camera, this is a 43 pieces. The one piece you can say is 250. Okay, the next item is wall mounted fixed camera, is a weatherproof. So if I go for this weatherproof items, the other item is for weatherproof. If I go for this box type, it's a box with the weatherproof. If I make it filter command, the previous block name is mentioned, so I have to delete the previous list. So clear list or delete items, I can make it clear list, and then I have to select this weatherproof fixed type camera because I want this quantity. So I select this weatherproof block, and same thing that is previous. I told you the previous. I want to delete this all except the block name. This is a block name. I just left the block name, and then the all I remove it, this one. So apply in which area? The same area I want, as we discussed before. 22 items is selected. It's a weatherproof fixed type camera. So I just type the move command, and then I will extract this all from the drawings. Here we have for all weatherproof fixed type camera, it's a 22 pieces in my complete drawings. So 22 pieces I can mention here for this 22 pieces. And the same thing, the price. The other thing is motorized ceiling IP camera with high quality of pile. So it's a motorized dome type camera. I will select the filter command. I will remove this previous list, and then I have to apply for this new dome type camera. I select this one. I will remove all one by one except the block name, and then I will apply for the whole drawings. So it's a 49. I will right click and then accept the command. So these all are selected. If the selected, now I will put the move command. I will insert the move command, and then base point I will insert the outside. So these all are, we have the dome type. If I make it again move command and then select it to make sure how many, it's a 49 pieces we have for all drawings. So we can write here 49 pieces, and the one pieces with the motor, I think this is I think 350 or something. So this is a price for that. And security car barrier and guard house. I can come here. We have here only one car barrier and one here is a car barrier. If I make in move command and then I want to remove this outside the car barrier, this two only car barrier we have. So I can write here for this car barrier we have a 2, because we have a 2 entrance only, 2 car barrier, or it will come maybe with the installation is 10,000 for each. So you can type here for this 20,000. No, sorry, this is a guard house. We have to put this in the security cameras. Here is a 0. Okay. Security car barrier is finished. Now we have a guard house. I can type here for this 20,000. We have a 2 for this 4,000. So this is our BOQ. We can make it for this quantity as our contract. If you want it for the other system like electrical other system, maybe you want for this fire alarm systems, BOQ for this telephone and data systems, and um, cabling systems for this telephone and data system, and the electrical is the main systems, like lightning protection, lighting systems, and anything else. If you want to suggest, inform me in the comment box. I will prepare for this video. See you next time. Don't forget to make it like and subscribe.